Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Welcome back to the Calamita playlist. Though today we're taking a day off from the dust and build. Well, sort of taking a day off. I started cooking at 7 a.m. this morning.
Today it's just the two of us. Our families are spread across Missouri and Texas. But maybe once the camper's finished, we can take those road trips for a visit. For now, we're happy right here in Florida.
Today, we wanted to pause and talk about the things we're genuinely thankful for. Beyond the obvious, family and friends, which we are incredibly blessed to have. We're thankful for the things that formed us.
And Lupa, of course.
She's down here. And Lupa, a dog of leisure who isn't a working dog. She's just a beloved member of our family. That life for her is something I'm genuinely grateful that we can provide for her. It might sound completely backward, but we're so thankful for the obstacles and the challenges that have turned us into these discomfort-seeking individuals.
The hardships, the things that were truly difficult, are those that what forge you. I don't believe that either of us would have had the courage to leave the comfort of our own towns that we lived our whole lives, or those steady corporate jobs at Disney if we hadn't forced to face down a challenge.
We had to push ourselves outside of the comfort zones, and that courage is what gave us the ability to start Nexxtleft. And that ultimately gave us the time to rebuild Lake Calamita.
When you face down something like full water damage rebuilds on a camper, or global pandemics shutting down your new business, you learn what you're truly made of. And we're still here, still working side by side. That partnership is everything.
We're also thankful for a more global world. Think about it. During the golden age of travel, only the very wealthy could explore the world. If the poor traveled, it was migration for survival, and many died in the endeavor.
Today we have fast, relatively affordable means of travel, but even more than that, we have international trade. Look around our kitchen. We have spices from all over the planet in those cabinets. We grow things in our backyard like bananas, pineapples, Tobago scorpion peppers that represent countries thousands of miles away.
The dinner we're enjoying today with coffee, sugar, and salt would have been a complete luxury, out of the reach of anyone but the extremely wealthy just a few generations ago. We're so lucky to live in a time of such global abundance. And finally, I'm thankful for the freedom that Lake Calamita represents. Yes, sometimes I'm irritated and terribly annoyed with her. It's a brutal rebuild, but I'm grateful for the internet where I can look up how to solve a propane issue or fiberglass repair. I'm grateful for the curiosity she sparks in us to learn. As a woman, I'm deeply grateful to have lived during a time when I was given freedoms my ancestors did not have. I was able to work in a man's world at Disney and pursue my own dreams and desires by starting a custom fabrication business.
That hard-won freedom is what this whole camper is about. The freedom to hit the open road, to take Lupa with us, and to stop waiting for permission to take that long vacation.
There's just so much to be thankful for. We hope you all have an amazing day filled with family, food, and reflection. We will see you next time when we get back to work on the rebuild of this camper.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Are those that forge you. The hardships, the things that were truly difficult, those are what forge you. The hardships.
Like trying to talk on video.
The hardships. The things that were truly difficult, those.
Do you want to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't. The hardships. The hardship. Always an adventure.
Always. That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.